How to fix unityplayer.dll. Not found error? 1. Try restoring unityplayer.dll. File via recycle bin. 2. Update Windows. 3. Run sfc and dism commands as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-help-dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health 4. Perform a full virus scan using the recommended advanced internet security in this video guide. 5. Run the Reinstall 32 unityplayer.dll command as admin.